I'm in a Porsche Boxster GTS, and next to me is the new 911 992 Carrera 4S, and we're going to have a drag race just because, well, we can. So I've got a mid-mounted 2.5 litre flat 4 turbo engine with 365 horsepower and 430 newton meters of torque. I've got a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control, though I am only rear wheel drive. That has a 3 litre flat 6 turbocharged engine. In fact, it has 2 turbos. It produces 450 horsepower and 530 newton meters of torque. It has an 8-speed dual clutch gearbox with launch control, but it's all-wheel drive. I think this might be a foregone conclusion, but by how much I don't know. So that car will cost you £95,000. This one is £62,000. Let's see if there's over 30 grand's worth of performance difference. Before we race, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, why don't you follow me on Instagram? My personal account is @MattWatsonCars. Ryan, done that? Let's get on with it. Great start. My reactions were bang on. No! Oh, he came past me. I think my reactions were faster than him. This gets good traction off the line if you have the stability control off. The question is, did I jump the start? Click on the pop-out banner up there to vote if you think I did. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Porsche 911 Carrera 4S did the standing quarter mile in 11.3 seconds. Well, the Porsche Boxster GTS did it in 11.8 seconds. You voted? Okay, let's find out. Nah, I didn't. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. We're both locked in third gear. I'm going to call it in. 3, 2, 1, go! This picks up pretty good. Oh my gosh, that's just got more torque. An extra 100 newton meters and there you go. That's your result. 430 versus 530 newton meters. This still picks up really nicely though. Finally then, we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour, full emergency stop when we hit the cone. This car weighs 1,500 kilos, that one weighs 1,600. So I've got a weight advantage, but he's got bigger brakes. Let's see what happens. Here comes the cone. Oh! The 911 wins in every single challenge. But is it worth extra money? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos, and if you click on the deals box to the right, you can see how much you can save on a new car at CarWow. Or click on the video windows below to watch another of my videos.